So I'm going to ask these guys if they'll send somebody to inspect these construction sites. I don't consider this an emergency, so I think I should be able to talk to people without it being an emergency. It's crazy, guys. Can't make this shit up. This is LA Fire Department, Station 69. No jokes, guys. So, as usual, government people not here to respond to the public. Cops are here to harass the reporter, not to protect her safety. And now we got cops that are not U.S. citizens, so hopefully I'm not going to get kidnapped here, guys. Well, yeah, unfortunately, this is pretty typical, guys. Government never wants to be accountable. Probably on their 3-hour lunch. So people like to glorify fire departments, but these guys failed to. They did not have the fire hydrants working. The reservoirs were not filled with water. Some of them passed the buck. Go ahead, man. Nobody's stopping you. So I can't find one fireman here to answer any questions, guys. They're probably in here eating donuts somewhere upstairs. All right, maybe I can try talking to these guys. Anybody here? Anybody here? Somebody come out here and talk to me? Anybody here? I have a question. Maybe I'll give it like 5 minutes, see if any of these guys come out, because I really don't like to see, we don't want to see another fire. And you can see that's another issue, is they don't have these gates locked. And some crazy could walk into one of these sites and start a fire, guys. They need to be checking these sites, guys. Hey, I'd like to speak to somebody. I'd like one of you guys to come out here and talk to me. anybody coming out, guys. Most fire departments might see a few guys working on the trucks. That's really a big problem, man, with the government. There's just no oversight. That's why we need guys like me, because this is the only way you're going to find out if anybody's doing their job, and we can see they're not really. This is not doing their job. They should be able to answer some questions. I've also checked in Phoenix during the heat wave, 120-degree heat. I was checking the fire departments would give you a bottle of water, and most of them would not. And the ones here should also be giving out water if somebody's dehydrated and they're in the neighborhood. They should be able to give them a bottle of water, guys. I mean, they're just supposed to be public safety. You got a lot of seniors out here that they could die from heat stroke, guys. You need water. I just paid to somebody. Hello? Anybody here? Also, I don't want, we don't want, I don't know if this guy's legal, probably not, but we don't want illegal alien landscapers doing these government facilities. That's our tax money, guys. You could get some young high school kid to be doing this stuff. Hey, where's the fire department people? No English? No English? Can you tell when these guys come out here and talk to me? I guess you got more authority than me. You can go in there, I can't, you know. I'm here legally, so I can't go in there. No, I don't know where everybody is, man. Thanks for checking. Oh, I thought you were going in to get your paycheck or something. Are they paying you to do the landscaping? Hey, anybody here? I'd like to talk to you for a minute. It's not looking good, guys. Gotta be doing a good job after this fire. This is an audit. Also have a big concern about there's fire hazards on these construction sites. You guys need to be checking this. Of course, we got more of the stands blocking the sidewalk. Police don't enforce any rules about that. If a white guy tried to do that, you know, he'd be getting a ticket. And he'd be getting a food sanitation citation. These Mexican places can serve bad food, unsanitary, and there's no enforcement, guys. It's more two-tiered policing here. So this is John Adler reporting from Fire Station 69. Very hot day. There's still a lot of fire hazards in the specific palisades here. I want to make sure the government, not just building inspector, but also the fire department, should be inspecting these sites for fire hazards. So far I've seen a lot of fire hazards on these sites. I don't know what these guys are doing. Hey, anybody here? I need a bottle of water.